In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch your personal account to business and from business back to personal account on Instagram. Let's launch the Instagram app. Then you want to head to the lower right corner and click on your profile. Then I want you to hit the top right corner and click on the 3 straight lines. When you're here, I want you to click on settings and privacy. You want to make sure you're not making any mistakes over here, guys, okay? I want you to scroll down and I want you to click on business tools and controls. Boom. When you go all the way to the bottom of the page, you will find the section that is called switch account type. When you click on it, you will find the options, in my case 2 options, how to switch from personal account or how to switch to creator account, meaning that currently I am using a business account. If you are using personal account, you will be having an option to change to creator or to business. If you had a creator account, you will have an option to change to personal or to business. And this is how you change types of accounts on Instagram. Subscribe and follow for more tips, guys.